What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. In this video, we're taking a look at Saitama and I guess my thoughts on why or how this token can get to 1 cent. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 2,000 subscribers, so give that button a click. So Saitama right now in the 365.3s has found a little bit of support down here in the kind of low 3.5 area. But look, $20 million in terms of liquidity, 6 million daily volume, 316,000 holders feels like it's okay. But the price is only marginally up on the day, but really struggling down at the 3.6 level. Now, there are a lot of things to think about in terms of Saitama. We don't have the usability of the SAITAMask yet, and I do say yet because it does feel like it's rolling out with some pace, and we can see more and more people getting on to SAITAMask. If we take a look over on the Twitter feed, we can see here that lots and lots of people are getting onto it, which is really, really good. We need this, and it needs to kind of land so people can start trading it. And this is one of the really key parts of why I think we could be on a way to a cent. Now, everyone's probably thinking, Mike, you are talking absolute nonsense, but hear me out. We also got this from the Wolfpack. Good news for Android. They can update to the 1.7 and register and log into the app, which is good to see. 401 means the account already registered. You need to do a password reset. iOS update is on the way for 1.7, and we will let everyone use the app. That's a big statement for me. iOS update is on the way for 1.7, and we'll let everyone use the app. So clearly, that's a really confident and bold statement. Swap features are still not available for trade until we turn it on. So clearly, they just want to get people on the app, and they want to get people using it. Then we will turn the swap feature. And that, again, is the second part of why I think we are going to see some real shift in terms of Saitama. So a couple of other things that we need to talk about. We have completed stage 3, going into stage 4, and this is the real bit here, the SAITAMask DeFi wallet, SAITAMA, the NFT platform. Now, you know, they talked about that on the MA the other night. It is nearer than we think it is. We also get staking version 1.1, although we are currently on 1.7, so that's going to need to be updated. But clearly, they're going to get the swap function going, and then potentially we're going to start to see some of the staking, which again will be really, really good to see. So let's talk about how I think we can get to 1 cent with a token. Well, look, ultimately, we're going to need to deflate the token supply. Now, we know it's a deflationary token, and we know that there is money on the bench to come into Saitama right now. There's been lots of hints of Coinbase, lots of hints of Binance. Look, those guys are not coming in yet. They are not going to bring their money and move this onto that exchange just while SAITAMask isn't working. However, let's think about where we could get to. So currently $2 billion market cap. If we take a look at the crypto market in general, where do I see Saitama? Well, look, clearly we're top 50 already if CoinMarketCap sorted itself out. And I know people will be thinking, Mike, get off CoinMarketCap given everything that's going on. But could Saitama be a top 10 cryptocurrency or a top 15 cryptocurrency? Absolutely, 100%. It does require some burns. Now, they talked about burns. And you've got to think when the app is up and running, the amount of people that are going to come into SAITAMask, the amount of people that can use this to trade, swap, exchange, and even the NFT platform where there will be exchange fees is going to create a huge amount of burning of the token. 2% deflationary on buys and sells. It's going to create a huge amount of movement and a huge amount of trades going on SAITAMask. So that is going to really deflate token. People talk about hyper burns. Now, look, are we going to be a top 15 cryptocurrency in 6 months' time? Absolutely not. We don't have the product, we don't have the resource right now. Can we be a top 15 cryptocurrency 5 years' time? Absolutely, 100%. And that's my view. So when I say I think Saitama can get to 1 cent, I absolutely genuinely believe that. And again, I talk about this on my live stream a lot. This is a long-term hold for me. We have missed the initial run-up. Now, it is cheap right now. We can't deny it at 3.6, but the initial run-up where people made lots of money, where generational wealth was formed, is in the absolute infancy of the project. Anything after that, you are purely speculating. Yes, you can swing trade it, but you are speculating. But this is a long-term hold for you. And again, I talk about this in terms of the toxicity in crypto right now. If you hold it, believe in it because you bought it for a reason. If you don't hold it, don't worry about it. Go and do something else. Go and look at something else. But there is lots of opportunity with Saitama. The dev team, in my opinion, are too deep into this to do anything else. $20.4 million in liquidity, $6 million in daily volume is not a small token by any stretch of the imagination. Yes, we need to deflate the token. Yes, we need to see some mass adoption. And yes, we need to see a big exchange or something, some real strong catalyst to start to move this price. And more importantly, increase the trade volume that's going through. We need to increase buy and sell to deflate that token. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below. But I do think we can be up there in the worlds of the Uniswaps and the the rest of the kind of top 15 cryptocurrencies. I absolutely genuinely believe that, and I think we are on our way to it. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.